August 15th, 2020. I was given the opportunity to film one of the most respected and meaningful landmarks of my country. So obviously, I took the chance. We teamed up with these associations that I have no idea how to translate to document a yacht trip to an island at the farthest east side of South Korea named Dokdo. Here's how it works. After the amazing sunset in the middle of nowhere, we spent the night at the boat, awaiting our arrival the next morning. And oh boy, did I thought that nothing can top that sunset. Wait till you see this sunrise. Unfortunately, due to heavy waves, we weren't able to land or explore the island by feet.
What? What the fuck?
However, the executives promised to take us again next year.
I see this as an absolute win.
Only then, we will be able to fly our drones as well.
Absolute win.
I want to thank these associations again for making this trip possible. And if you guys want to see those epic drone shots that we will be taking on our next trip to this island, please like and subscribe. My name's Kimvideo, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
요트에서 손으로 랜딩 시도 중입니다. 우와! 오, 캐치. 고생하셨습니다. 야.
이게 제일 긴장돼요.
그러니까.
자, 이제 즐기시죠.
보트 통과하는 것보다 이게 더 무서워.